Well, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever it is, wherever you are. It's about 3:25 in the a.m. on Monday morning for me, so hope everybody's enjoying their back to work day. Yeah, I know. It's Monday. Who does really like Monday? But then again, for me it's Wednesday, so just saying. Good thing is, time goes in today, so yeah. It is what it is. Watched a video of somebody going through the process of getting across Cebu to Toledo, and from Toledo over to San Jose or San Carlos, something like that, on a boat, and then driving over to Bacolod. I don't know how they pronounce it. So, but anyway, went past that mountain that blew up, Canelon, something like that. Yeah. Little bitty trip across the water. I think run him somewhere around $25, something like that. Maybe a little less. Yeah, so I don't know. I can't wait to get over there and start experiencing that. Seems like it's awful inefficient, but I'm going to be retired. I'm in no big hurry to go anywhere. All I really want to worry about is, do I have enough fish bait to make it to 7 a.m. and not so much that I'm stuck there past 9 a.m. when it starts getting too hot. Yeah. Just saying. Why be stressing over, how long it takes to get somewhere, or, how efficient it is? I'm retired, or I will be when I get there. And I'm not really stressing on how fast I can get somewhere. Just not my worry anymore. I get to retire, and I don't know. Okay. America, they'd probably have all that done in one building at one time and probably have it all rolled into one payment. But hey, America's expensive. And, well, they're trying to create jobs over there for folks. And so, yeah, port fee, access fee, whatever fee. It's got somebody working. Working's good. Might not be very much pay, but, well, and I understand right now the peso's kind of weak against the dollar, but that means that things that get brought over there, for some folks, American imports, would be a bit expensive, a bit more expensive. I don't know. Personally, I like all kinds of different food. Probably the thing I will miss the most is actually a good barbacoa burrito. Or burritos in general, all of them. I actually like burritos. Yeah. So, that, and, well, I'm a Texan. I like steak too. So, but hey, I'm used to eating, the cheaper cuts anyway, because, well, I don't like throwing money away too often. And when I do spend money on beef, I spend money on a good piece. I don't buy large chunks of it. And And if I do buy a large chunk, I buy a quarter cow, throw it in the freezer, and do it that way. And that's good because it saves money. I saw somebody else having problems with his refrigerator, freezer. Had somebody, messed it around, and didn't get it fixed right the first time, and had to call somebody else in from the family to get it fixed on. So it is what it is. Anyway, I'm definitely ready to get over there because I'm tired of hearing all this crud. What's going on over here? I don't know. As crazy as it's getting over here for the politics right now, it's really worrisome. But anyway, I am definitely ready to get over there and go fishing. And they'd probably have to hit me in the back of the head to keep me from throwing a hook off the back side of that Bass Cat ferry. Well, it's on top of the water. There's fish in the water. I could catch a fish. Might be a bit hard getting it landed because, trying to drag it along at, I don't know, 20 knots, 12, 15, 20, 30 knots. That could be a bit rough on trying to bring something in. I'd probably just end up stripping the line out and losing it, but I don't know. But yes, I'm definitely ready to go fishing. And, there's a whole lot of fish around the Philippines. And watching them, bring in a bunch of the big tuna down there in Jinsan, General Santos, Mindanao. I want to go catch one of them big ones. I'd be happy with a medium-sized one, or small one even. But I'd like to catch a big one. Just saying. But catch one my weight, 200 plus. That would be a good fish. I'd be happy. But it is what it is. I am so ready to get over there. Anyway, today when I get done here, I got to go to therapy. Trying to do a few of the stretches here. I'm actually not doing my audit right now because the system is down for maintenance. Yay, maintenance. They always do it on my shift, and usually on a Tuesday night, not a Sunday night, Monday morning. But apparently they're having more issues. What was it? That IT company that caused all the internet problems last week. I think they're actually doing a fix on that, so it doesn't cause as many problems the next time it happens. It is what it is. Yeah. Anyway, don't know about y'all, but it's Monday. I get to go to therapy and then come back to the house and do the 3-ring circus. There's so much work for just one person to do. When it's just them by themselves, gotta go make the paycheck, gotta go do your cooking, gotta go do the grocery shopping, pay the bills, all that. And then, doctor's appointments and shit like that. Don't know about y'all, but I work nights, and when you have people come over and knock on your door in the middle of the day, it's easy for them. It's the middle of their day, but it's the middle of my night. And you're not supposed to just growl at people because they wake you up. Why not? Just saying. I can deal with the chickens or the dogs doing that. They're dumb animals. Yeah. But when you have people that, don't know you and come over and disturb your peace, yeah, you're not supposed to just growl at everybody. I'm still wondering why, but okay. We're supposed to pretend to be at least civilized? Why? Seriously, why? I don't know. It's one of those days. I ended up with about 4 hours of sleep because somebody did wake me up after I'd gone to sleep. Yeah. Fun stuff. But that's okay. Hopefully nobody will disturb me tomorrow. And hey, I don't have my chickens or my dogs anymore. The only thing I got to worry about is the cats. And although sometimes they decide to take and use me as part of the racetrack when they're chasing each other, could be worse. Anyway, yeah. Between the system going down, I'm going to have to go do a check-in on somebody that I brought them in on a piece of paper and copy of their ID. Yeah. Cash, because credit card machine ain't working. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye-bye. I hope everyone has a great week. Hey, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.